Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has hinted that Sinoxolo Gwayiba may offer a fresh solution to the long-standing search of a successor to veteran midfielder Themba Zwane. Zwane, affectionately known as Mshishi, has been absent from the national team setup since suffering an injury while on duty last year, October. Though the Mamelodi Sundowns playmaker has since recovered and returned to the club action, he was notably left out of the squad for the CAF Champions League final, a decision that raised eyebrows. In the months following Zwane's injury, Broos has been vocal about the difficulty in finding a player with a similar skill set. However, the emergence of the 25-year-old Gwayiba, who is set to join Orlando Pirates, appears to have given the Belgian tactician renewed hope. Gwayiba made an impression during Bafana Bafana's recent friendlies, coming off the bench against Tanzania in Polokwane last Friday and starting against Mozambique on Tuesday night. He kept a standout performance with a goal and walked away with the Man of the Match award, a clear statement of intent. Speaking after the Mozambique game, Broos acknowledged that while Gwayiba and Zwane are different in style, the younger midfielder could be key to solving the team's creative dilemma, and said you can always say yes. Maybe there you have to be a little bit better, but I have to be honest and say that until now, we haven't found another Themba, that type of player. Broos, however, remained open to tactical evolution, noting the potential need to adapt the team's playing style instead of replicating Zwane's exact profile. And Gwayiba is a totally different type of player, even though he plays in a similar position, so maybe we can solve it in another way. That's something we wanted to explore in these two games to see if we can adapt and still be effective. The uncertainty surrounding Zwane's long-term fitness also played into Broos's thinking and said, who can assure me that Themba Zwane will be fully ready in September? That's why we must look for other solutions, and maybe, just maybe, we found one. As Bafana Bafana prepare for a crucial stretch of fixtures late this year, all eyes will be on Gwayiba to see if he can carry the creative mantle or at least help the team find a new rhythm in the post-Zwane era. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.